In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page style sign-up page using Klaviyo. If you're familiar with Klaviyo, you know it's not a dedicated landing page builder like Unbounce or Lead Pages. Instead, it serves as a versatile email marketing platform that provides tools for creating sign-up experiences. Even though Klaviyo isn't designed for elaborate standalone landing page creation, you can still craft effective sign-up or consent pages and full-page forms that mimic the appearance and functionality of a landing page. You might also consider embedding Klaviyo forms into an external site if you need something more robust. To get started, open Klaviyo and navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll find the Sign Up Forms section. Click on it and you'll see an option to either create a new form or choose from a template. This is where you get to decide if you'd like to work from scratch or start with a pre-designed structure. Remember, the goal here is to shape it into a full-page form, which will ultimately replace the traditional concept of a landing page. Once you've selected your template or have opted to start fresh, go ahead and specify the form style as Full Page. This setting ensures that your form will expand to fill the entire browser window. With this step, your form begins to take on the feel of a landing page, inviting your visitors to engage in a focused and immersive experience. Now, it's time to design the form. You have the freedom to add different elements such as an email field, name, phone number, or even an image. These blocks are essential to capture the information you need while engaging your audience visually. Style your form by selecting background colors or images, choosing appropriate fonts, and customizing button styles. Make sure everything aligns with your brand identity to create a cohesive and recognizable look. Next, think about what should happen once someone submits their information on your form. Will they see a success message or be redirected to a specific URL? Perhaps a thank you page on your website could serve as a powerful reinforcement of their action. This is also the time to set the targeting and behavior of your form. Decide when and where it will appear, whether immediately, after a certain delay, or when a visitor clicks a particular link. If you want your form to function similarly to a landing page, you can trigger it upon visiting a specific URL with an anchor or hashtag. At this stage, setting the display frequency is crucial, especially if you want to ensure that returning visitors who have already signed up aren't repeatedly shown the form. Once you're satisfied with the design and behavior settings, publish your form. You can now use the URL or link that activates it. Additionally, make the most of Klaviyo's subscribe page feature. Each list in your account offers a subscribe page URL by default. You can fully customize these pages and use them as your landing page link, or even embed them on your website if necessary. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating effective landing page style sign-up pages using Klaviyo. Enjoy enhancing your customer engagement